guys are doing well. You know, we're coming into the real new year. Seasons are changing. If things aren't looking up for you yet, just know that it's on the way. It's not that cold out here. I'm lying to myself. This is what you gotta tell yourself. Trust me. It's so warm.
Bitch, they 10. One-on-one, never again. One-on-one. When get the cake in the butter, I kinda like hustle the money all in. Rhyme the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk, you can hear. Hearing all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W, due for a win. Fucking this bitch in the OG, I'm having this snow bunny pull up her legs. Run from a dummy, you don't see how I'm coming, don't tip me, I'm right on the edge. Guinness is young and I been had to shoot out some money all under my bed. 2018 came a million, I made it career, niggas thought it'd be dead. Heart getting cold, my body cold, I took a little X. I hit her one time, told her pull up again, making the little pussy stretch. Give me some head in the back of the band, grip in the back of the neck. I wanna put mirror 10 on the tent, I wanna see the reflection. I'm the best dressed at the Met. The way her dress, I know how to dress. Turn the drill to a flex. They stick at the check, I poke out my chest. I'm treating little boy like my pets. I let the bitch use me for sex. I know they young one of the catch. Got one-on-one ice on the jet. One-on-one, bitch, they 10. One-on-one, never again. One-on-one, when get the kid.
Stitching for the cheese, they'll ride. You know me, I'm never switching, yeah. My body different, they like sleeping you a hero. Why they paint you as a villain? Cause they know my niggas elegant. Shoot up your residence, they look like the president. Now rip me up a bag, up a bag, up a...
Yeah, life is like a motherfucking dream. Fill my double cup up with some wings. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch planes. Yeah, rats coming in evergreen. Yeah, hold up, let me pop my shit.
To the movies, ho, spot it. For some money, bitch, things on cash, man. But besides all that, she gon' fuck me cause I'm like Aladdin.
Swallow my jacket. Me, bitch, okay, come see me. I'm not shooting BBs. That nigga gon' have to try to stay alive like that motherfucking peaches. Motherfucking price, I don't even price.
I don't really have too much to say, guys. Nothing much on my mind. Hi, welcome back. It's another day. We're in March now. It's beautiful outside. It's about 70 degrees. I want to say it's like March 11th or something. Got a slime jumping in 2 days. I'm so excited. I really feel like there's been a pivotal shift in my life. Things are starting to make more sense. More clarity is coming in. And I just feel really good right now. I feel beautiful. I feel like the most authentic version of myself up until this point. And it's a really great feeling. Total lunar eclipse. So the moon will be red. We're on our afternoon stroll for today. Trying to find some cute places to take pictures at. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. If you're new here, I am Authentically Asa. This is our channel. Come on in. This is a safe space. Out here today on our daily walk, just getting some fresh air. You guys, it's been a great last few days. You're gonna see all the clips from the car meets to taking walks to making music. I just put out the new song Hideaway, and the lyric video is out by the time you're seeing this as well. I'm working on new songs. Life is beautiful. I feel like I'm living such a divinely aligned and full life right now. And I'm just excited to share more with you guys. So yeah, let's go. You guys are having a beautiful day today. Spring is right around the corner. It's finally getting warm out again. I feel like I'm blossoming, coming back to life. Everything feels beautiful again. I'm enjoying the fresh air. And I hope you guys like these clips of me taking my walks. There'll probably be only 2 in this video. I don't want to drag it, but I love going outside. I love being outside. I do this pretty much every chance I get. These dudes are just posted up waiting for somebody.